This is our dark chocolate style cabinet. It has a 5-piece construction, raised panel doors, and they have a semi-full overlay. The doors themselves are made of 100% solid beechwood, German beechwood. It's finished with a dark espresso flat stain. It has concealed hinges for all the doors. The drawer box also has 5/8 of an inch thick, solid wood sides with a dovetail construction and undermount soft closing drawer glides. This cabinet style has 5/8 of an inch thick plywood cabinet box, as well as a finished interior and exterior, as well as 3/4 inch thick adjustable shelves.
I did the